What up, everybody? It's your boy Fuji Mania. So, the title of this video is how to use Google search engines without being recorded or tracked. So, how do you use Google search engines without getting recorded and Google watching everything you do and recording everything you do on top of that? I'm gonna show you the website that you can use, and you can do all the searches you want, and it's a Google search engine, but they have SSL encryption. Okay, so they don't track your shit, you know, long story short. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in startpage.com. I repeat, startpage.com. Just put that right in your browser, go to the search engine, boom, you've got a Google search engine there. Search all the shit you want, when you want. You can even add it to Chrome if you got Google Chrome, or you can set it as your home page. But you go there, you got a straight up Google engine, and it does not track all the activity, nor does it record the activity of the websites that you're going to. So there you have it, startpage.com. Shout out to you, shout out to everybody. Oh, time for my meal. Hey, shout out to everybody. Don't forget, July 12th is going down, the Instagram album. Coming very soon. I can't wait, man. It's only a week or so. So it's your boy Fuji Mania. Check it out. On the other page also, Star Wars Sports News. If you like boxing, we're primarily boxing on that page. This page is going to be primarily my music. It's your boy Fuji Mania. I'll holla.